UV germicidal lamp with ozone model 26W UVC light bulb E26E27 socket white application, sterilization mites lights suitable for home, warehouse, restaurant, office, school. Easy installation, regular E26 base. This UV light can be installed with E26 socket in home lighting. The special lampshade design allows the lamp tube to be partially exposed, which has greater sterilizing power and is also convenient for wiping the lamp tube. Widely used in many spaces, the lamp works effectively in cleaning rooms and effectively improves the living environment. The UV sterilization light irradiate area up to 400 sq-feet. Suitable for the small space like car, bedroom, kitchen, shoes cabinet, washing room, baby room, pet house, toilet, and much more. Convenient use, can work in any regular screw-in socket, no special connections required. Important note: the device will emit very strong UVC light, which will be harmful to your health, so please don't stay close with this light after it turns on, including your pet, plant and others. Warranty service: please contact us anytime when you have problem for this UV germicidal lamp. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.